Hi everyone. So today I thought that for math we could work on word problems a little bit. I am going to show you how I would do this word problem. And then the practice activity that I have for you in your folder is going to have you sort some word problems into whether it's you need to do addition or whether you would need to do subtraction for that problem. You're going to sort them and then you'll be able to solve them. Let's go through this one and figure out if we need to do addition or subtraction. Okay, so I'll read it. It says, Cameron's cheerleading team practiced pyramids for 18 minutes. They practiced cheer routines for 22 minutes. How much longer did they practice routines than making pyramids? Okay. Now, what I like to do when I do word problems is I like to circle my numbers so I can keep track of them once I start doing my operations. So I see 18 is one number, 18 minutes. And we also have 22 minutes. Okay. So the question they're asking us, I'm going to underline the words that help me figure this question out. It says, how much longer did they practice routines? So I'm going to underline the how much longer because those words help me figure out how to solve this problem. So let's see. They practice routines and making pyramids. So we need to know our number of minutes for routines and our number of minutes for pyramids in order to figure out how much longer they practice the routines, right? So let's see. For routines, it said cheer routines 22 minutes. Okay, so we have 22 minutes for routines. So maybe I'll write that right here. 22 minutes. I'll just write an R for routines. They also want to know pyramids. So let's see. They did 18 minutes. They practiced pyramids. So I'm going to say 18 minutes. I'm just going to do P. So I'm just writing those letters, M-I-N. It's just a min. It's a short way to write the word minutes. So we have 22 minutes of routines. Okay. We want to know how much longer. So I know that 22 minutes is longer than 18 minutes, right? But we don't know how much longer. So I'm going to draw a tape diagram to help myself figure out how much longer. So we know our bigger number is 22. That's our total, right? So one of our parts is going to be 18 minutes because that's a part of our 22. So we don't know what the other part is. So we want to know how much longer. When I have a tape diagram that has a missing part like this, that means we need to do subtraction, right? So I'm going to take 22 minus 18. Now, 2 minus 8, I can't do that. So I need to regroup. I'm going to borrow from my tens place. I'm going to take one away, and I get 1. I'm going to add a 10 to my 1, so I have 12. 12 minus 8, I know, is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0, nothing. So we have 4 minutes. So they said, how much longer did they practice? So they practiced routines 4 minutes longer than pyramids. I would write the whole sentence, but I don't think I can write very well on here. But I know you guys could write an awesome sentence for that. Awesome. So if I was going to do this problem and try to figure out where I would sort it, if I was putting it for subtraction or for addition, a few words that help me figure that out are these words that I underlined in our question. They say, how much longer? When you see the words how much longer or how much more, that usually tells you you're going to have to do subtraction to figure out a missing piece on your tape diagram. Awesome. So go ahead and try those word problems in your activity in your folder and let me know if you have any questions. Go ahead and do your best and have a great day.